Thanks for coming and taking a look at this home. I am here at 706 Red Sands Drive in Washington, Utah. You can see this is a really nice community. Got a lot of really nice landscaping here at this house. It's really well done. And we'll go take a look at the inside. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath home. It's also got a little room off to the side right there. It could be used as an office or just a visiting area. It's right around 1,700 square feet. So as you come into the house, you can see it's got nice fancy tile work in the entrance, archways. It's a really well done home. So this is the main living area. It's got a fireplace. It's got that tile work around the carpet. Looks really good. It's got the 2 pillars. It's got a nice open floor plan. Take a look at the kitchen. It's got matching appliances. They're all white. And an island there. Now we'll take a look at the other side of the house. This is your entrance to the backyard. We'll take a look at it in a little bit. This is your washer and dryer hookups through that door. And your 2-car garage right here. It's actually got a little bit of storage in it as well, right over there. There's a door. And your master bedroom right here. It's got a ceiling fan. There are ceiling fans throughout the home. It's got that nice trim along the ceiling. And it's got a walk-in closet. Now we'll take a look at the master bathroom. It's got a jetted tub. A lot of natural sunlight. It's got the double vanity. Cabinets are matching with the kitchen and a standalone shower. Alright, now we'll take a look at the backyard. Backyard is something that a lot of people really like about this home because it's fully fenced in and it's private. It's got a good amount of area to it. It's got little gardening boxes right over there. Now we'll head on over to the other side of the house where there's the other 2 bedrooms. Take a look in here at this extra room right over here. So you have your first bedroom over here to the right. Your closet right there. And then in between the bedrooms you've got your bathroom. You have the tub shower unit. And here is the last bedroom. It's pretty much the same as the other one. You have the closet. And that's the home. Thanks for coming and taking a look at this. If you're interested and you'd like to put in an application, you're going to want to go to HomeRiver.com and you can apply for this home there. Thanks.